Hello friends. I know some people is looking for how to record audio without video in OBS Studio. This is very simple. Just follow some steps. I'll show you. Let's go. Open your OBS from your PC and select settings from right side corner on the bottom. It's opening. Okay. Go to output. Select advanced. Then go to recording. Type custom output because I need to change some configurations. Output type. Select output to file. To save the recorded file in your PC, file path, keep it as default. Container format, select MP3. Bitrate, keep it as default. Video encoder, disable encoder. That's all. Apply. OK. Now test the audio is working or not. Stop. Go to your PC. Show recordings. Yes, this is my recorded audio file. That's all. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.